Today, we are reporting more than 30,000 active cases, and that's defined as people who have tested positive on a PCR test. But we know that the number is actually much higher with a positivity rate of 30%. And that's why we do expect to see hospitalizations rise in the weeks ahead. It's also why Alberta Health and AHS is doing everything they can to prepare our health system for the impact of this wave. I'm calling on the Government of Canada to help us out with that by taking immediate action to authorize the use of Pfizer's COVID antiviral pill, Paxlovid, that was recently approved for emergency use in both Europe and the United States and other jurisdictions.
January 2nd, around 2,059 new cases were identified out of about 7,100 tests. And yesterday, we had 3,013 new cases identified out of about 8,200 tests. Our positivity rate over the past 4 days has ranged from around 28% to 36%. This is the highest positivity rate we've seen with any variant since the pandemic began. Currently, there are 436 people in hospital with COVID-19, including 61 in the ICU. Right now, more than 1 out of every 3 people getting a PCR test are testing positive for COVID-19 with higher rates in Edmonton and Calgary. If you're feeling unwell, it's quite likely because of the Omicron variant. And this means it's critical to stay home until you're feeling better.